Hey there, I'm Michelle with the Wandering Hartz, and we're helping you live a more abundant life by traveling abroad. We're in Brasov, Romania, and we're going to give you a quick tour of our apartment that we've been staying in for the last month. All right, so now we're going to show you our stay in Brasov. And the nice thing about this place is that it is right in Old Town. So let's take you inside. All right, we'll take you through the hallway here. There's actually 2 apartments up the stairs. And then this leads us into the courtyard. And so our room is right here. So we've kind of got all of this area to hang out in, have coffee in the morning. As you can see, it's actually really, really pretty. The host has kind of decorated with all kinds of different flowers. And it's nice and bright and white in here. So yeah, this is kind of a nice place to hang out. And also there's actually a laundry room there. So if you're like us and you slow travel, which we like to do for 1 to 3 months at a time, we almost always need to have some kind of laundry. And so yeah, it's kind of just a communal one, but it works out great. And now let's take you into our apartment. All right, so this is our kitchen. And this is a studio apartment, and I think it's probably one of the smaller ones in this whole complex. So it's a little bit small for us, but it works. And we've got a refrigerator, a 2-burner, and then also microwave is down on the shelf, and then a toaster. We've got pretty much everything that we need. Plenty of silverware. There's some oil, salt, and pepper. We've got room for our snacks. Got a coffee maker, and also cups, glasses, and wine glasses, which is important for us because there's actually a small little wine shop, wine bar that's just right out of the courtyard. So all we have to do is just go up there and refill our wine. So it's kind of dangerous. We do have a kind of a nice big sink here, and yeah, just some cleaning supplies, which is one nice thing about this apartment is that it was actually fully stocked, so we didn't have to go out and buy like dish detergent or sponges. All of that was here, so that's actually a big plus. And then we've got our kitchen table. So as you can see, I've turned this into my workspace. Because if you're like us, then travel full-time and also work remotely, that's kind of a big thing. We need to have a workspace. So the kitchen table turned into my workspace. And then we'll take you into the bedroom so you can see where Joel's is. So our host was nice enough to bring in a table. This is not normally here. So he can set up his computer. This TV is usually on here, and there's just some more storage for clothes. We've got a nice big wardrobe. Put all of our suitcases, more clothes. There's plenty of hangers. And then, yeah, nice big bed. We've got 2 side tables, which is nice, so we can put some of our books in there if we need to. Nice lighting. And then we also have outlets on either side, which if you've seen some of our past videos in some other different countries of our apartment stays, you know that sometimes we don't get that. So it's always a plus when Joel and I can actually like have stuff plugged in and charge our phones overnight. All right, so let's take you into the bathroom. Oh, and we also have a rack so we can hang up our backpacks, coats, and then bathroom. Bathroom is actually pretty big. We've got a big sink. There's storage underneath, a shelf, and then as you can see, a nice kind of walk-in shower. And we've got plenty of room to put our toiletries as well. That wraps up our whole apartment tour here in Brasov. If you're interested in booking this stay, we'll actually leave some information in the description below where you can contact us, and then we can give you the contact for the host here to book the apartment. And there's also actually other apartments in this complex. I think there's 7 other ones, so there's kind of varying degrees. This one's, I think, kind of more of the small studio. There are bigger apartments you can book as well. So we've really enjoyed our stay here, and our host has been amazing. They've gone kind of above and beyond, helping us with our stay, making us comfortable. We can ask them any questions that we have. So yeah, this has been a really great stay for us, and we've really loved our time in Brasov. So if you're interested in learning more about traveling full-time or slow travel, you can also sign up for our newsletter. You can head over to our website, wanderinghartz.com, or you can sign up with the QR code on the screen. Make sure you check out our other stays, short and long-term, in other cities and countries that we've stayed in. And you can also check out our other Brasov videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Happy wandering.